Ner malaka nyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Ka jan gwasme te kon ka breaking news mishalat. Kuma SPLM IO kene kuma SSPDF men de pin kirma yadit. Ka Korodan en le rode re which ka Greater Penal State ko le la balit ke ga gala shell. Riga dan en chitore which ka Nasir kana Ulang County. Raja ban lat gwasme raja dan inshallah Ramadan en la spokesperson ka SPLM IO kan raja dan inshallah Ramadan la spokesperson ka SSPDF pinkir ma yadit kana content balinga jan gwasme goro jen o de kondial kaling katin kondolat korodin ke jan gwasme ne name information killer mi pai kan release ke pai kan la rejam katin konde churian laden walle ka changa jandangra widi di ka pairo ron kin dangra widi jandangra widi dich gore jen wode ka link ko ti ken konalat ko rodin ke jan gwasme bana lera bana yelinga gwa ka doba dan en chaja gor ken keje ko gor kono bana information mitwok bu kono linki lera dan twok chirkemen la kon ka link no wen ken kono nyamare ler kana me dongo jira me dedit ka Nuer online TV channel naga jeno en go jinder subscribe kadir notification bell de ja twani ko gwasa dan en chiler chaben da chamala shibekiji ko gor kono de kondilat ko rodien rewe dan de kon kaling ni shang ka tung nentenas ka jen lere me gor jeno beja lat ka dubreo do ban yam bane lat bane je kwen ka thoknath rewde bane je kwen ka thok english ko te ka tana de don la jala no don chicken thok no chicken linga gwa du no millinga jen tama bi ngaje no ko kora mi kon to kana me ban je nyoko mu kono linga thok english no gwa en breaking news link kono gwas me re which ka Greater Penal State ata dan en chalat gwas me SPLM IO chicken ladan wonene roja dan chicken kwen kenina shi ditch SSPDF SPLM IO roja kan lat gwas me shi ditch SSPDF menti pin kirma yadit shi kan SPLM IO bok karen yalan wala re wika Ulang ren yalan ci bok shigmen shi alinga ler niam ren yala shi bok ditch SPLM IO nena ken bok ne ke cha bong ne din konti la hali bok ne kem de ni dung SPLM IO ci Ramadan la spokesperson Colin Lampol Gabriel ci raje me ci jala da jenek cha ne bok an wale kume South Sudan men de pinkir ma yadit ke runwang kenene SSPDF keni ejejen bor rirode SSPDF keni jejen bor a rirode allo jog allo chre wech ka Nasir ke shi jien ke shi we kabalit gwat ente SSPDF keni jejen bor allo jog ka loch gwada dan en bekatin ka Nasir boken SPLM IO kene SPLM IO kel ke jechen bor shikrodin mat kel ke kujemo la bogodana boken SPLM IO nyu de jen wo ken chika kor chika ngok alo Greater Penal State ke jen gwasame che bia stable ke chebete re malka ko do badana chalat ke je ke kwirian yalla dan ri ndana shi bogon walle men chi SPLM IO shikane bok gwada me roje shalat Ramadan la lere lat ke SPLM IO Colin Lampol shelar ngo shide kirma yadit shika bok karen yalla njalga ke bokan ne ko Ulang County ka Greater Penal State ka changa jandang ru de diech ka pairo ron kin dangro wi jandang ru de diech ke Tuesday ke changa ron wala ano kashol kume kirma yadit hali no de hali de ka lo jok kena hali ka lo jok ka lo ka Nasir hali ka lo jok tel ne kor ka lo jok Colin Lampol jen shelat no erin yalan chi ne bok ne kem de ne SPLM IO boga ne ka Doma gwadan te de SPLM IO jen kem den ke barak den la barak ke kem de ne SPLM IO tintere which ke Greater Upper State kule la Ulang kene Nasir kule la Doma jen gwaza danen cha dich IO charge station ten kete ten won chicken gwas mo chicken book gwada to kuma SPLM IO ten kene na me nyu da je gwana en go chikirma yadit kene de SSPDF chiko kor chicken ngok chicken kor ngok ajen mo bokkane mo nyon jeno chicken male dane chatan chicken yor jogomi ke chicken pal mal lan chalke revitalize it peace agreement me chalat karon kine dangra wir wal badak na mo chicken bridge ke chicken dak jene sha ko bok ke ta badak miteke menene jendang jok karun wang jen gwadan bokatin karenyal helicopter gunship dung SSPDF mijare which ka Greater Upper State ka balyet gwade shi governor dung governor Greater Upper me choten pan ka chang jendang ro wirung wan ko pairo ron kine dang ro jendang ro widit jen gwada dan jen gunship ten ka jen bene bogon jen tela gwada den sika kamda chikana book kem SPLM IO choraji mo chajalat gwada me rojen chanyo malat ke general Luray Kong Ramadan and spokesperson ke SSPDF you know tele michalat ke kwirenial en wo chirenial chabok tele michalat ke kwide chelana jen wo nena ko kor jonga dangro tin pai wo men ngajne ya gwa wo chi hali jejen bor kene SPLM IO chika rodian mat chike dine ko la dine SSPDF tin de pinker ma yadit chiken kamak rewech kanasir kene sha de dien SSPDF chaja mak ko kor gwadan paiwo SPLM IO kene hal dio je mi chana jelinga gwa te chana ling hali kene te konte nyin ke ne ko la dine SSPDF mukule te ko ba dinde ti de ga gerone mukule te ko to bukumu nyogo nyuro jene be de agwele force ke SSPDF ba ja deploy ba ne ti ba bo jere we can answer ka be can disarmament be can carry out ke be ko be can capture hali men ko hali le riak ka kwida ntama be ke jien re we can answer kan ulang kana witen ko kenan no be kan urum ke kuma mala kuma kirma yadit ke SSPDF ki agwele force na de pinyulun ke Johnson lun men non kare which kan answer ko banat be ka ben disarm ki be me ba ban kap jendo ba dan jien ka hali na mo tel me shalat ke ku SPLM IO lat kon tok ko tin kon lat kon ke lin kon ngani siang tin kon lat korodian duno antama che duor che nyoka ka nyok che ka SPLM IO ken SSPDF ko chi SSPDF che ne kon de tila SPLM IO che ka buk allo new the jenada no bi SPLM IO bu rin kul mat kana hale ba shi woto e SPLM IO men ku halu ku influence direct attack ke changdar bor helicopter jena kamala kal ki ga balit ka galashat jo boka Doma boke SPLM IO chajeling raja mo ka jero idan ray kon joran tama name amichor lat an walle ka shanga jandangro widi diech ka pairo ron kinda dangro widi jandangro widi diech ano name nyu the jagwano en Greater Upper State chetereri kan tama ala men kula to ka SSPDF kenene shine attack ni hali chao kemne maken ano konune lo wa geri di jandan mente re wech kanasar ko shika jen an winami tandi ente ke runwel tandi ne ke runwero ne runwel diongne so ko kuje mo de ke gerde ga lo shine ken ajena ko hali jele guje no na me shi tok rep ke ne dech ko bi dech be nyen ka hali ne re wech kanasar ta guje no mo da rik tun wanda ke no ngwano akachibe shi hali gani shode no yene content re kuma ka SSPDF ke poinkir me yadi kule la kwara ndana capsules danga jen gwasame no ngono unified force no ngajere wi unified force alo kan hali jelo alo mo right kon kamete ga lot ke gor kon bantin kon lar rodin bana kan hali tintere wi kan asir lan wer kan logo no de unified force de jenong lat keno SSPDF me ko den ke store mi je ka wo ka abin unified force and content ko biga merina ko ba me ba kap biga bin ba kula lanaje bin ne de kon la kwar ti la kwar ngene kan kwar kon la kwar wech kan bukul buraja no meje ka kap ke kaman kap ke ori te gerik lat korodian kam kun korodian ko jan do ran la match la ka desam ko ja do no ngai kona gwan woni de content re kan answer ke re nuore ke ngwan nuore gang kan wech ke tin kon lat korodian ke murle ndana na kan cha ga korodian baka kurmande to ana mo cha jo nyoko mu kwa je turn into something SSPDF no netin kon tin la hali emat ken ke SPLM IO namo jen la cholge la tijek la ya nyoko mu joje ke SPLM IO bon mi chit ke SSPDF tere mu de hal nangtin ala de kan chong din chairman ter ken lat ken o cha me ke cha ke simple as that nyoko ken ne no unified force ken reject korai ken siang nen kon video ni ken online turun ken online ti kon lat ken ka kala ken gor wade les gor ko mone ko ma kirmi yadit neme agenda nan chalat no bana manda le rodo gwada me bana jeling ala ramadan la spokesperson lam pola me kespele mayo ajene an helicopter dana chibok men chika bok ka doma ka Ulang county ajene cha do cha bogno gwana nan tirmi chalat gwada me ajene tele casualties mi chalat o dong mutam chabar ki tram chili ore en manani karin yal chibok jentele mi chalatin tere nyal mi chala dar tera mi chala do chite bot chang men chire nyal chibok chire nyal open gwada dien ngode bana me nyu de gwa en go de ka bogrun ki do ka bok gwada an de kanalat duno re nyal chibok duno tera mi chala do cha moy ka bot ke chiliu mi te ga ring mi chitwok ba je nyoka min non ken ne continentin la SPLM IO tin te ka doma je SPLM IO ke dinin kono te ka doma ne re kon je Nasir ke hal nan ke long a very different thing nan kelong ke hali titika mech chol ka rudi na wai ami linga ken siang jale jejen bor jo ken kumen o jina gwa panyo no de no re which ma gangane ne dundo chine de chine go non unified force ma de ni ku ken de ni partner ko ten ko ken jenda na lat ken tem din lat ken gwasme ba na me ba jenong ya ka do brana chalat ke je ka tok english ko biya je ko lingan le dan chore lat. The SPLA IO spokesperson confirmed that the SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force conducted a military airstrike in Ulang County, Upper Nile State on Tuesday, February 25, 2025. While Bill Palm called on army use to halt their advance and retreat. Colonel Lam Paul Gabriel speak on Tuesday stated that a helicopter gunship targeted Doma Payam, where SPLA IO forces are stationed. We were attacked at around 8:30 a.m. in the morning, February 25, 2025, by an SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force helicopter gunship, Colonel Gabriel said. The bombardment started in Doma Payam, and we are currently assessing the situation to determine any casualties. For now, I confirm the bombing took place. In a statement issued on Tuesday, February 25, SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Forces spokesperson Major General Luray Kong did not confirm the airstrike, but stated that over the past 2 weeks, SPLA IO, along with the Y Army from Ulang and Nasir in Upper Nile State and Neural in Jonglei, had mobilized significant forces, which is lie, not true. SSPDF disagree with the Y Army in Nasir, not with SPLM IO, as we have witnessed, as we have heard, as we have read the news. According to General Luray Kong, initially their goal was to prevent the planned rotation of SSPDF troops to Nasir, but the focus shifted to a large-scale offensive in Ballet County. In the last 2 weeks, SPLA-IO, along with the Y Army from Ulang, Nasir, and Neural in Jonglei, had mobilized a large number of forces, he said. General Luray Kong said. Their initial objective was to thwart the planned rotation of troops to Nasir, General Luray stated. The latest intelligence received indicated that the intention had shifted from preventing the rotation of SSPDF force in Nasir to launching a large-scale offensive against civilians in Ballet County. General Luray stated that SSPDF command call on advancing force to all further advance and retreat and disperse. An eyewitness in Doma Payam speaking on condition of anonymity confirmed the bombing and reported no casualties. The witness explained that the bomb fell at a significant distance from people and livestock, ensuring their safety. A gunship came this morning and bombed us, the eyewitness said. There were no injuries and the bomb fell far away from us. This seemed to be a sign that the army is preparing for conflict, not peaceful deployment. The bombing took place just a day after the governor visited Balit and Galashal, and a day after the commissioner arrived in Doma at the governor's request. Meanwhile, concern about the SSPDF redeployment to Nasir County have caused widespread panic. Residents of Malakal and nearby areas are fleeing after reports indicate that a contingent of SSPDF forces was being sent to replace troops in Nasir. In response, national lawmakers representing Nasir and Ulang call on the SSPDF leadership to hold the redeployment. So jenda ni to no shurna no en kume SSPDF me acha nongre wik Nasir ko be berik bakano. Na me jenda na go de nywa yekel bana nyo jemu do dien chuji poro jeno subscribe ko chuji poro jeno jin bi janyo ane ko kin ko chuji poro jeno bi notification bell bi jetwan ken o bi a comment ka bi je share jena na go de nywa yekel ya tamal bye bye.